Hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Birmingham, an area called Perry Beeches, and I'm at the Beeches pub and the Beeches bowling club. So another car park where you don't have to input any registration or pound display, which is good. Just walking down to the green. I've had a sneaky little look at the green, and we've had some heavy rain last couple of hours. It's been stopped for 40 minutes or so. We'll just have a look and see how it's doing. Yeah, it's drying up a lot. Home side's just having their roll up. Nearly spongy and wet. Let me get in this corner. The clubhouse over there. It's the back of the pub. Just a short little clip of this green. Well, if you are enjoying my content as usual, please give it a subscribe, give it a like, and I'll see you on the next one.